A major priority for me as mayor has been economic development and diversification, bringing in good jobs and industries. And when we had the opportunity to talk to the folks at Haas Automation to bring them and attract them to our community, we knew that we needed to also provide the educational support for that industry. And it's exciting to see this day come to fruition. So this is really a true honor to have my name on the side of this building as the Center of Excellence.
We've been working on the curriculum here for the Center of Excellence and for our Advanced Manufacturing Pathway for over 2 years. From short-term accelerated skill certificates to 1-year certificate of achievements to 2-year associate degrees in automation and in machining to a pipeline to project management bachelor's degree. You see, it's this whole stackable credential of curriculum approach with connectivity to the employer every step of the way in that design that we believe creates the actual product that our employers are looking for.
This is the economic engine for the state of Nevada with 72% of our population here, so it's really critical that we diversify here in Southern Nevada.
As young people are beginning to be exposed to today's advanced manufacturing, with robotics and automation and these sorts of things, this is the 21st century. And having these young people in high school be exposed to curriculum at the college level, integrated for high school and college credit at the same time, and these students transition after high school, coming into CSN now full-time, finishing off their credential, earning their degrees, and the beautiful part again about this ecosystem is there's real jobs waiting for them right here in Southern Nevada with all the different manufacturing companies that have been attracted now by the ecosystem of workforce development. So it really is this cadre of all the people, the system working together to output a world-class workforce.
The perception of manufacturing typically is, the assembly line where you're making stuff and it's noisy, dirty, all that kind of, no technology or little technology. Of course, that's completely changed. As you can see by, the shop here, it's fairly clean and it's not too noisy and it's not really dangerous at all because we have a lot of safety precautions. But when you think of the jobs, there are people that still use their hands, put stuff together, they do troubleshooting and things like that. But there's also, once you're in that realm, there's so many more opportunities that are available to you after a few years of doing it, like sales into engineering, or you could be a technical representative, or you can get into education.
This location, this is also part of the infrastructure of higher education in this part of the valley, serving the southwest, the south part, and West Henderson, and then this pathway. So this is a huge opportunity. This is a community center too. It's not just about advanced manufacturing. This is 100% paid for by the City of Henderson. It talks to their commitment, but community members can also come in. So it's not just limited to manufacturing. A lot of access to opportunities can happen right here in this special building.